This is Gary from Fantastic Fundas, and we are doing newspaper discussion for 12th May. So this is about Gilgit-Baltistan. Why I am discussing this news? Because this news has been making rounds in many newspapers, and the term has been used very often recently. So we must know about this. What is Gilgit-Baltistan? It's an area in the Pakistan occupied Kashmir. As you can see, this whole of the area, this belongs to India originally, but now they have illegally occupied this area. They are in the occupation. This image is from Wikipedia. So now, why in news? There are many reasons. Recently you might have heard that ambassadors of Philippines and Norway along with their wives, they crashed in Pakistan after Taliban attacked them. This thing happened. Now this was done by Taliban. They have taken responsibility. This thing happened in Gilgit-Baltistan. Second, President Xi Jinping of China, he is going to build the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. यानी कि एक इकोनॉमिक गलियारा बनाया जाएगा चाइना और पाकिस्तान के ट्रेड के लिए. गलियारा यहाँ पर एक टर्म जो बहुत बड़े लेवल का होगा, ये गलियारा, द कॉरिडोर. नाउ दिस विल बी फ्रॉम गवादर पोर्ट इन बलूचिस्तान टू चाइना शिनजियांग प्रोविंस, राइट? So if I have to show you where it is, in this map, it will be something like this. Gwadar port is somewhere down here, right? I'm not sure of the exact location, right? Somewhere over here. This is Gwadar, and this over here is the Xinjiang region of somewhere. It's part of Tibet actually. It's a little up, right? And from here they gotta move. This will be a long corridor. Now, if you see, a big part of it is passing through Gilgit-Baltistan area. That is the importance of this. Now, so that is like one, right? Number two is this China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is the showpiece of Xi Jinping's highly ambitious One Belt, One Road initiative. There can be a short note on One Belt, One Road initiative, or there can be question that through which countries it passes, etc., etc. Gilgit-Baltistan assumed thus great geostrategic importance. When geography becomes important for political continuation of a country, of a scheme, of a project. But what is Gilgit-Baltistan? Let us talk about in detail. Now, first thing is, it is under Pakistan's control, right? Number one. Number two, is it part of Pakistan's constitution? Answer is no. There is no mention of Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan constitution. We also have mention of all our states and duties in Indian constitution, but they don't. Neither a part of what Pakistan called, it is Gilgit-Baltistan is not part of Azad Kashmir. Pakistan's call it Azad Kashmir, and nor it is a part of Pakistan. What is it then? Now that means it's part of and their Supreme Court says it is part of Jammu and Kashmir. And who owns Jammu and Kashmir? It's India. Jammu and Kashmir belongs to India. So that is Gilgit-Baltistan belongs to India. Anyway, so Gilgit-Baltistan area, this is about 6 times bigger than so-called Azad Kashmir and part of the erstwhile princely state of Jammu Kashmir. And it was known by the name of Northern Frontier. This is very important term, and we will be doing this in our history lecture also. Northern Frontier. Now, why it went to Pakistan, how it went to Pakistan? It happened thus so that on November 4, 1947, immediately a few months after, weeks after independence of India and Pakistan, the British commander of Gilgit Scouts, right? Gilgit area, Gilgit Balochistan Scouts, the commander of that, his name was William Alexander. He declared his accession to Pakistan. He writes in his book, the name of the book is Gilgit Rebellion. Now you don't have to remember this thing. This is just, you must hear it once and then forget it. He goes on to say that, as a liberal member of the world's paragon of democracy, I consider that the whole of Kashmir, including Gilgit province, unquestionably go to Pakistan. In the view of that, the population was predominantly Muslim. कि क्योंकि वहां पर मुस्लिम ज्यादा रहते हैं, मेरे विचार में ये सारा एरिया पाकिस्तान के पास जाना चाहिए, कश्मीर का भी, गिलगिट का भी. ये तो एक व्यक्ति की राय थी. Then he says, partisan, traitor, revolutionary I may have been, but the evening my sentiments dictated that if the Maharaja acceded to India, then I would forego all the allegiance to him. कि अगर महाराजा इंडिया से मिल गया जम्मू कश्मीर का, महाराजा हरि सिंह जो था, तो I will go to Pakistan. Then That is what this person had to say. Now he might say that he has been a paragon of democracy, महानता थी, परिकाष्ठा थी democracy की, but the territory he brought under Pakistan's control hasn't seen any democracy. यानी गिलजिट बलोचिस्तान के अंदर अभी भी कोई डेमोक्रेसी नहीं आई है. और ये बात हमें कहां से पता लगती है? देखिए, दिस इज अनदर पेज, यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक क्रक्स ऑफ दिस पेज. इनमें से एक भी फैक्ट को याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. What? See, year-wise we'll see 1949, the region was disassociated from POK and they called it the northern areas of Pakistan. They created a separate ministry for it. Then quickly we'll revise this. 1974, what happened? See, in Gilgit-Baltistan area, Shia is the majority, but Shia Muslims. But in rest of the Pakistan, the majority is of Sunni, right? Sunni majority is there. Now, what they did, their president Z.A. Bhutto, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he sent Sunnis from all over the country to acquire land and settle in Gilgit-Baltistan. This division continued to this state. Even today, this division is there. Second, now divisions, I mean these sectarian divisions and that Shia Sunni division. Then in few years after that, in let's say in 10 years after that, Zia-ul Haq, who was a general of Pakistan, he enlisted anti-Shia forces in the region, and now Shia Sunni were fighting, Shia Nur Bakhshi were fighting. So what is happening with the connivance of the state के मिलने से बेचारे शिया मुस्लिम्स को मारा जाने लग गया वहां पे. फिर 1988 के अंदर वहां ट्राइबल लश्कर्स, आफ्टर रिसीविंग अ नोट फ्रॉम एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, दे अबडक्टेड लोकल वुमेन and massacred thousands of Shias in the Gilgit. This was the worst thing to happen. And in 2009 they promulgated a Gilgit-Baltistan Empowerment and Self-Governance Order कि जी आपको सेल्फ रूल देंगे, जैसे होता है ना, आप सीधा खुद रूल कर सकेंगे पाकिस्तान में रहते हुए, गिलजिट-बाल्टिस्तान वालों को कहा. बट एक्चुअली में हुआ कुछ भी नहीं. पार जो थी वो फिर भी सेंटर के पास, पाकिस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास रही. सो देयर इज नो सेल्फ रूल. इनफैक्ट जो तालिबान जो होते हैं, जो स्वाट वैली से भाग गए थे और ज्वाइनिंग एरिया से, वो सारे सुन्नी एक्सट्रीमिस्ट गिलजिट में अब इकट्ठे होने शुरू हो चुके हैं. सो व्हाट वाज इंडियाज रिएक्शन टू दिस ऑर्डर दैट पाकिस्तान ब्रॉट? इंडिया सेड, इंडियन पार्लियामेंट पास्ड दिस थिंग अगेंस्ट देम, that we regret and concern it at the pitiable conditions and violations of human rights and denial of democratic freedoms of the people in those areas of Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir which are under the illegal occupation of Pakistan. देखिए, मैं इन कोट अनकोट चीज़ों को इसलिए लिखता हूँ, आप इनको अपने आंसर्स में कहीं पर शॉर्ट में कोट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है जी. अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट कोट नहीं पता है तो आप ऐसे डबल कोट की बजाय ऐसे सिंगल कोट, अगर दिस यू राइट समथिंग एंड वहाँ पे ऐसे सिंगल कोट डाल दीजिए. अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स पता है तो आप डबल कोट कर दीजिए. राइट, दिस इज सो. Generally, the region is forgotten in Pakistan, worldwide, and India also. But this time with this resolution, India passed was in 1994. Right now, this is yet another cosmetic exercise intended to camouflage Pakistan's illegal occupation. हमने ऐसा कहा है क्योंकि इस टाइम पे इसको खत्म कर दिया. अब what is the real threat? अब देखा जाए तो देखो, geostrategically the region is very important. If we take it from China angle of China also, the Siachen glacier is there. Right now, Gilgit-Baltistan is the only land connection connecting Pakistan and China, and it joins the 225 kilometer Wakhan corridor of Afghanistan. Gilgit-Baltistan जो है वो एकमात्र इलाका है जहाँ से चाइना पाकिस्तान आपस में जुड़ते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ 225 किलोमीटर का जो वाखन कॉरिडोर है जो अफगानिस्तान से जुड़ा हुआ है वो भी यहीं से निकल रहा है. हमें यह भी पता है कि चाइनीज़ की जो मिलिट्री प्रेजेंस हुई है वो भी अब यहाँ पे बढ़ गई है इन गिलजिट-बाल्टिस्तान एरिया. एटलीस्ट 35 प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं. जो कराकोरम हाईवे था, जो लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से पाकिस्तान के अंदर बंद हो गया था, वो चाइनीज़ आर्मी ने अब उसको ठीक कर दिया, इंजीनियर्स ने ठीक कर दिया, वो भी चल पड़ेगा. अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब चाइना जा रहे हैं हमारे इंडिया के मोदी जी, तो शी जिनपिंग से, जो चाइना का प्रेसिडेंट है, उससे हम गिलजिट-बाल्टिस्तान एरिया के बारे में भी कोई ना कोई बात कर सकते हैं और उनको रिमाइंड करवा सकते हैं कि कैसे वहाँ पे देखो कितनी गड़बड़ हो रही है, ह्यूमन राइट्स की वायलेशन हो रही है. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ये पेपर में किसी के भी आ सकता है. गिलजिट-बाल्टिस्तान एरिया ऑफ पाकिस्तान. So that is all. If you like the video, आप प्लीज इसे शेयर कीजिए and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That gives us encouragement to make better videos. And ask your friends also, share with them कि this is something happening on internet, and if they like it, they can also subscribe it. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video.